to my channel. My name's Haley. If you don't know me already, we do all things makeup on this channel. And I forgot to turn on my microphone. So today we're going to be doing this look by Nana on TikTok. I absolutely love her. I've been following her for a while. I love her makeup looks. And this one's the Egirl versus Normie. The audio is not going to match up to what I'm saying because I don't remember what I said. As always, I'll list all the products down below as well as Nana's information. Go follow her. I have a red base, so I just use my Mehron Paradise paints in red, and I just dab that all over my outer corner very messily. So I wanted the red to be more vibrant, so I went in with my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette and took this red shade and just dabbed it on the outer corner. And then I didn't think that the red was messy enough, so I went back in with a tiny brush and just made dots all over and spread that out with my finger. And then, of course, being an e-girl, you have to have the white NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk inner corner moment. Decided that I was going to drag the red underneath my lash line, and then I went in with the Jumbo Eye Pencil again in my waterline. Of course, to be an e-girl, you have to have a big-ass wing. So I'm taking my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner in black, and I'm making that big-ass wing. So this was kind of fun because it didn't matter if it was completely straight or perfect or whatnot, because we were just going to mess it up with mascara anyway. Forget the lower lash line lashes. You got to draw those suckers on. You can't just use your own. Okay, so this is my absolute favorite part. You just take your mascara and you just dab it everywhere. No rhyme or reason, just dab it everywhere. Then according to Nana, we go in and make tiny little hearts just wherever you want. I give like Cover of a Corpse Husband song vibe. Okay, that's what we're going for. And then we're gonna use our mascara as its intended use and put it on our lashes. Before I went in with lashes, I put in my contacts, but I only put in one because she only had one in the video because it was Egirl versus Normie, but then eventually I did decide to put both of them in, so I did do that. 2 different sets of lashes from Kiss. One of them were Plunge 24mm lashes, and then the Kiss Naked Drama and Taffeta. Tried to do the whole Egirl straight lip liner thing. I just can't do it. Just went in with Colourpop's lip liner in Hella and NYX's XXL Lip Lingerie in Turn On. It's giving choke me, like you hate me but you love me. As always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next from me. And I don't know what I'm saying here, but yeah, if you like me, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!